In this video, I am going to show you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers using the simple method in our YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm is a very beautiful tool that most of us don't even use. Do you know that posting at a wrong time, something as little as that, can make you to lose your subscribers? I have seen people say post in a certain time, post at this time, but do you know that your posting time and my posting time are not always the same? Yes, I'm going to prove that in our algorithm today using our YouTube Studio app, because I discovered that most people that watch my channel are using their phone. So I will take you straight to the step-by-step process of how to know the time to post. Not just that, it is not just about the timing to post. Doing all these things together can make you get the right subscribers that you are looking for. Are you posting topics that people are talking about in your channel? Let me tell you something. There are certain topics that if you post at that time, even if it is related to your need, people will not watch it because it has low interest rates. On this YouTube, we have times that topics have low interest rates. There are times that topics have high interest rates. There are times that topics have medium interest rates. Now, if you don't know how to categorize these interest rates, you may just go ahead and make a random video, choose any topic and post. At the end, you discover that people are not even watching it at all, and you're like, wow, this is related to my need. Why are they not watching? That is because you failed to search in your application or in your studio to know if it has high interest rates or low interest rates. Don't worry. Perhaps you are wondering the how can I find it? That is why I am here. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process on how to discover where this hidden gem is. Are you ready? Let's go. But hey, have you subscribed? Please do so you will be updated with our latest videos. Love you.
First of, if you don't have this app where I'm tapping YouTube Studio, please go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and download it, because there are lots of things that you will need to know from this app, and I'll be explaining in this very channel. So tap on the app as soon as you have installed it and it's in your phone and you've connected, sign in using the Gmail you have used to create your YouTube account. So let me take you to when you tap on it and it opens. This is where it will take you. This come below here, you will see dashboard, content, analytics, community, and tap on analytics. Okay, then if you tap on analytics, you will see above here close to my profile, you will see audience. Tap on audience. So once you tap on audience, look at this place. You will see when your viewers are on YouTube, your local time. This is my local time. So my viewers mostly are on YouTube. This is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So from 12 a.m. okay, from 12 a.m. I've tapped on it. I've tapped on that this purple place. If you check, if you are a new YouTuber, you may not see this immediately, but as they keep uploading consistently, it will appear. So take advantage of this. If you see here from 12 a.m. to 6 a.m., my viewers are absent. How do I know? From this chart below here, they say fewer viewers to many viewers. So the place you see that has more purple, that is where many viewers, most of your viewers are online. If you check from 6 a.m. to, let me just say 11 a.m., my viewers are barely online, okay? And then from 12 p.m., that is where they start gathering online. So this is what the algorithm has shown me. And trust me, if you go live from 12 a.m., if you go live or post any video around this white time, your video will perform so poor. Why? Because your viewers are not online at the moment. That is why I don't usually agree with these people that say post at this time, post at this time, because it's not always the same. This is what the algorithm has shown for my channel, that my viewers are online based on this at this time, 6 p.m. Wow, anything from 6. Do you see how purple my line is? 6, 7, 8, 9. Anything from 9, 10, I can barely see views, yes, but from 6, if I take advantage of this period, I will be getting a lot of views. Yes, so this is it, and this is that. If you check your There are many other things here that I would like to also show you. This is because my audiences, some of them are Nigerian, some are United States, and then some is in Ghana. So try to check your algorithm. Try to check in, sign in with your mail, the one you have used to create the account, and understand where your viewers are online. Let's go to the next. So the next is knowing what to post, whether it has high interest rates, low interest rate, or medium. So come down to your analytics. Analytics is at the bottom. Tap on your analytics, and then we'll tap on trend. Trend is above, top left. So once you tap on trend now, I already have a topic. I've done my competitors analysis. I've checked what my competitors, people in my niche, are posting. So I have the idea of the topic I want to post. So let me search for Ankara long gown styles. Let me check for Ankara long gown, because this is a fashion channel. Long gown styles. If you have not watched the video on how to get your 4,000 watch hours, please do so after this. So Ankara long gown styles. Okay, let's search for it. So search. Wow. So I have searched for Ankara long gown styles, and they are telling me Ankara long gown styles have very high interest rates. Do you see? And they have gone ahead to suggest some things for me to check. This is why the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, is very beautiful. I will help you master it in this very channel. Please tap on the subscribe button. Let me search for another thing and see if it will also have high interest rates. Let me check for Ankara. Oh, let me not use Ankara anymore. Okay, trending white laces, white laces. Trust me, there are times you research for this. You see, trending white laces have low interest rates. In my channel at the moment, it has low interest rates. That means if I post anything on trending white laces now, I will get very low views. I hope we are taking advantage of this. So even though white laces are topics that are related to my channel, but if I post white laces currently on my channel, it will not do so well. Why? Because it has low interest rate. Based on my viewers, what my viewers are searching for, it will not just work. So please make use of this tool to be able to get. Why do I say you will get your first 1,000 subscribers? Because the moment your videos, people are watching it, the algorithm pushes it. This is the algorithm suggesting to you. It will push it to more people. As they watch and they get to enjoy it, you will get your subscribers, guys, so fast. Yes, so just tap on your analysis, check on your trends, and then search here. You will see whether it has high interest rates, low interest rates. Try to check the time your viewers are online and take advantage of that. I hope you've gained so much value in this video. Have you subscribed? Please subscribe to this channel to be updated. Like this video and tell me in the comment section if you have gotten value in this video. Please share it to other new YouTubers that will make use of this too. Bye.